Thanks for joining us on WJACTV.com and the Severe Weather Team blog. Weather trivia for the weekend. We're talking about the snow to liquid ratio. Your question, what is the typical or average snow to liquid ratio? Is it 5 to 1, 10 to 1, or 20 to 1? The correct answer to this weather trivia question is B, 10 to 1, but the ratio can be a lot greater than 30 to 1 in extreme cases. And when we say 30 to 1, we're talking about for every 1 inch of rain or liquid precipitation that would fall, it would end up being 30 inches of snow. So let's talk a little bit about snow to liquid ratios. Again, we'll talk about the average just a bit, and the 10 to 1 is the average ratio. So again, for every 10 inches of snow, you would end up with 1 inch of liquid precipitation. Pop that one back in and we can see wet snow now. Wet snow has a 5 to 1 ratio, and this is the best snow for building snowmen. This is the best snow for building snowballs when you're outside. It's a real sticky snow as opposed to the 20 to 1, which is a dry snow. We'll get to that in a second. It melts partially before hitting the ground. It's a wet snow. That's why it's melting. Temperatures are a little bit warmer, and it often includes larger flakes, but less of them. Now, focus on the 20 to 1. That's our dry snow, and that blows around easily. Doesn't stick as well as the 5 to 1 ratio does. Temperature through the atmosphere has to be below freezing, and it is smaller and less dense, but you do have a lot more of those snowflakes, and that's why 20 to 1 gets you 20 inches of snow for every 1 inch of liquid. So let's talk about the example right now, and we can see this is courtesy of the National Weather Service, a storm from January 27th and 28th of 2004. And you can see all the 9s and 10s across Cambria County and Somerset County, a couple 7s across Clearfield County. The ratios here were 20 to 1 in Clearfield County and 20 to 1 over near Westmoreland, Somerset, and Cambria County. So that's a little lesson on snow to liquid ratios right here on WJACTV.com with the Severe Weather Team blog.